Hi killers, today I'm going to show you my favorite and easy to learn takedowns in less than 5 minutes. I strongly advise you to see the whole video until the very end, so you don't miss any important details. To perform this techniques flawlessly, sit comfy and enjoy. Our starting position will be a defensive stance, performed by both athletes. Both of us have lapel and sleeve grips. It's important for us to not let him pull his lapel grip away. So we make a seat grip on his wrist and pretend that we are trying to get rid of his grip, as he would expect us to do, so he will tighten his grip even stronger. Now we will rotate our hand around his wrist, like so. When you do this rotation, don't forget to raise your elbow to the ceiling, so you can generate enough momentum to bend his arm and his elbow. To generate even more bending power, transfer your body weight over his arm, and simultaneously hang your body weight through your lapel grip to break his posture. Bend your knees and get as close to him as possible. Keep almost your entire body weight hanging on your opponent. To keep him bent over your shoulder, put your knee between opponent's legs. To get under his center of gravity, keep your back and neck straight to maintain your posture. Now you can release both grips and focus on the legs. Both your forearms should be at the level of his knees. Close your arms together and pull your elbows towards your body tightly. Your elbows should be pointing to the ground to maintain strong control over the legs. Now the opponent's weight is over your shoulder, so you can lift him up easily. Now look away from the opponent and take him to the ground. Let's go over one more time. Turn your arm over and apply your body weight using both grips. Get under the opponent's center of gravity. Keep your back and neck straight. Release both grips and catch his legs. Elbows pointing down. Put your hips forward to lift him up. Turn away from him and lay him down. Let's continue with the second variation. This time almost everything will be the same, with one little difference. We are not going to grab his wrist but his kimono sleeve instead. If you like it so far, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Here we continue like in previous variation. Until this moment, here we will keep our sleeve grip and insert our free arm between his legs. You can catch his kimono or belt like so. Now let's put our front leg behind his leg and sit down on our hip, following with laying down on our side and pushing with your arm to perform the takedown. Then go towards the legs first, before switching to the kisegatami. Let's look at the whole technique one more time. One more time. Let's look at the variation when we didn't manage to maintain our grips, so we lost our control over our opponent's posture, and he managed to posture up. In this situation, it's very ineffective to try to lift him up, so we need to use what we can. Put your top leg behind the opponent. Start to spin around him on your knee. Simultaneously pull your elbow to your ribs to pull his knees forward. Take a look from another angle. I'm falling down into him, knee between his legs. Chest is pushing to his thigh. Keep your back straight. Close your hands together, elbows pointing down. Step behind him and follow your leg in circular motion. Finally, let's recap previous variations. I hope you find all these details helpful, so they will help you in your learning process. I would like to know what you think about these takedowns, so I read your comments with pleasure. If you like my content, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. I'm doing my best to make each video better than previous, so you can expect more of great content in the near future. It's a pleasure to share my knowledge with you all. See you in the next video.